بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مشروع نتكلم عن BCD to 7 segment LED display decoder circuit. Here's the group and table of contents. Introduction, background, BCD 7 segment display circuit diagram, outputs, software used, references. In the introduction, most often 7 segment displays are used to display the digits in digital watches, calculators, and clocks, measuring instruments and digital counters, etc. Generally, LCD and LED segments provide the display output of numerical numbers and characters. However, to display the characters and numbers in order to produce the decimal readout, 7 segment displays are most commonly used. Mostly, these displays are driven by the output stages of the digital ICs, to which the visual indication of the output stages has to be performed, such as latches, indicate, counters, etc. But these outputs are in the form of 4-bit binary coded decimal BCD and not suitable for directly driving the 7 segment displays. A display decoder is used to convert a BCD or binary code into a 7 segment code. It generally has 4 input lines and 7 output lines. Here we design a simple display decoder circuit using logic gates. Even though commercial BCD to 7 segment decoders are available, designing a display decoder using logic gates may prove to be beneficial from economical as well as knowledge point of view. The background. The basic idea involves driving a common anode 7 segment LED display using two conventional logic circuit. First one using BCD to 7 segment decode, and the other one using basic gate to display English letters which does not look like numbers. The first logic circuit is designed with 4 inputs and 7 outputs, and second one is designed with 3 inputs and 7 outputs, each representing input to the display IC using Karnaugh map logic circuitry for each input to the display is designed.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين، أما بعد. Thanks Faisal. I'm Yusuf Ahmed Al-Anizi. My student ID 6332. I will explain BCD points. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. It is a digital numbering system in which we can represent each decimal number using 4 bits of binary numbers. There are 10 digits in the decimal system. To represent all 10 digits, we need 10 combinations of 4 binary bits. As you see here, truth table of BCD, we will start from 0 to 9. More than 9, we have to make correction by add 6. A digital system like a computer can understand and easily read a large number in binary format. However, a human cannot read large binary number. To solve the problem, we need to display its decimal digit using 7 segment display. 7 segment display, it is digital device that can be used for display decimal number, alphabets and characters. 7 segment display contains 7 LED segments arranged in shape given in figure above. Generally, there are 8 inputs bins in a 7-segment display. 7 input pins for each of the 7 LEDs and 1 pin for the common terminal. Thank you for listening. Now we will continue with Nif.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Munif Nawaf. I was complete what Yusuf said before. 7-segment display, it is a digital device that can be used for displaying decimal number, alphabets and characters. 7-segment display contains 7 lead segments arranged in a shape given in the figure above. Generally, there are 8 input pins. 7-segment display, 7 input pins for each of the 7 leads and 1 for the common terminal. So, as we see, here is a circuit diagram. So, here is the output of the digit 0. We have 9 digits from 0 or 10 digits from 0 to 9. Here the last output, digit 9, and how to form it. 1001. So it will give me a 9.
شكرا زميلي منيف. The software used process 8.9 virtual design and re-simulation. Some commonly used software for designing and simulating BCD to 7-segment LED display decoder circuits include logic design software such as Logism, Process and Quartus Prime, VHDL, and Virolog tools like Xlinux, ICE, and Ultra Quartus simulation tools such as LTSpice and Multisim, and electronic CAD, ECAD software like Eagle, KICAD, and Ultim Designer. In the conclusion, the designing of BCD to 7-segment display decoder circuit mainly involves 4 steps, namely analysis, truth table design, K-map, and designing a combinational logic circuit using logic gates from that truth table. The first step of this circuit design and analysis of the common anode 7-segment display. This display can be constructed with 7 LEDs in the form of H.8 truth table of this circuit can be designed by the inputs combinations for every decimal digit. For instance, decimal number 1 would control a blend of B and C. The second step is the truth table design by listing the display input signal 7 equivalent for digit binary numbers as well as decimal. And here is the references, and thank you for watching.